Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica by ear. First, let's understand the basics. A standard 10-hole diatonic harmonica has a specific note layout. You produce notes by either blowing air into a hole or drawing air out of it. Start by playing individual notes clearly. Then, practice simple scales like the C major scale to get a feel for the instrument's sound and how notes relate to each other. This foundational step is crucial for ear training. Developing your ear is key to playing by ear. Begin by listening to simple melodies and humming them back. Try to match the notes you hum to the notes on your harmonica. This helps connect what you hear with what you play. Pay close attention to the intervals between notes, understanding if a note goes up or down, and by how much. Consistent ear training, even for just 5 to 10 minutes daily, will significantly improve your ability to recognize pitches. Once your ear is a bit more developed, start finding melodies. Choose very simple, familiar tunes, perhaps a nursery rhyme or a folk song. Try to locate the starting note on your harmonica. Then, experiment with blowing and drawing on adjacent holes to find the next notes in the melody. It's a process of trial and error, but with practice, you'll begin to anticipate where the notes are. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of learning. Consistent practice is paramount. Aim for at least 15 minutes every day. Recording yourself playing can be incredibly helpful. Listen back to identify areas where your timing or pitch might need adjustment. As you progress, challenge yourself by exploring different keys of harmonicas and even different types, like a tremolo harmonica. This will broaden your musical vocabulary and allow you to play a wider range of songs by ear. Keep enjoying the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.